Did you know that your liver could be storing excess fat without you even realizing it? Fatty liver disease is becoming more common, and it's often linked to poor diet choices, high sugar intake, and weight gain. But what if there was a way to reverse liver damage naturally? The keto diet, a low-carb, high-fat approach, might be the key to restoring liver health and preventing long-term complications. Let's dive into how this powerful eating plan can transform your liver. Understanding fatty liver disease. Fatty liver disease happens when excess fat builds up in liver cells. There are two main types: alcoholic fatty liver disease, caused by excessive alcohol consumption, and non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, NAFLD, which is often triggered by poor diet, obesity, and insulin resistance. If left untreated, fatty liver can progress to serious conditions like cirrhosis or liver failure. The good news? It's often reversible with the right lifestyle changes. How the keto diet helps fatty liver. A standard Western diet is packed with refined sugars and processed carbs, which cause insulin spikes and fat accumulation in the liver. The keto diet helps in several ways. Lower insulin levels. By drastically cutting carbs, the body produces less insulin, preventing fat storage in the liver. Fat-burning mode. Ketosis shifts the body's energy source from glucose to fat, helping burn excess liver fat. Reduced inflammation. Healthy fats and low-carb eating reduce inflammation, which is a major driver of liver damage. Balanced blood sugar. Stable blood sugar levels mean less stress on the liver and improved overall metabolic health. Best keto foods for liver health. Avocados are packed with healthy fats and antioxidants that support liver function. Olive oil helps reduce liver fat and inflammation. Eggs provide essential choline, which is crucial for fat metabolism in the liver. Leafy greens, high in fiber and antioxidants that promote detoxification. Fatty fish, salmon, and sardines are rich in omega-3s, which help reduce liver fat. Practical tips for using keto to improve liver health. Start slow. Transitioning into keto too quickly can lead to keto flu. Ease into it by gradually reducing carbs. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration supports liver detoxification and prevents fatigue. Eat whole foods. Focus on unprocessed, nutrient-dense foods to maximize liver benefits. Avoid hidden sugars. Many processed foods contain hidden carbs that can hinder progress. Monitor your progress. Regular checkups and blood tests can help track liver health improvements. Is keto the best option for you? While keto can be highly effective for reversing fatty liver, it's important to listen to your body. Some people may need to adjust their macronutrient ratios or include occasional carb cycling. Consulting a healthcare professional before making major dietary changes is always a smart move. Fatty liver disease doesn't have to be permanent. By embracing a keto lifestyle, you can take control of your health, reduce liver fat, and feel more energized than ever. Have you tried keto for liver health? Share your experience in the comments below.